all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Rubini Daniel. Today we are going to discuss about artificial intelligence for the class TYIT semester 6 subject business intelligence. In today's class we are going to see artificial intelligence. First of all, we want to see the difference between artificial intelligence and human intelligence. All the activities of human is controlled by our brain. For example, if you want to walk, if you want to run, if you want to jump, if you want to eat, if you want to smile, if you want to eat, whatever actions human are doing, which is controlled by the brain. Same operation even machine can do. That is artificial intelligence. Everyone know the movie Robot. In that movie, you know the concept of artificial intelligence, where the robot play an important role in all the activities. It is performing like a human. That is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is more properly developed in China, Japan and many developed countries. Now, a simple example I will say for artificial intelligence, that is Google search engine. So whenever you are searching some information in the Google search, what will happen? Automatically it will give some options to you. That is artificial intelligence. When you keep on searching on the Google search engine, for example, if you are typing some information, it will give some suggestions to you, many suggestions. So you can try that also. That is artificial intelligence. Even the Google search engine is also developed, implemented by the artificial intelligence only. So artificial intelligence, in India and many countries, they started using the concept of artificial intelligence. See the picture here. Now, after some years, the scientists are telling that artificial intelligence, the robotics, it will rule our world. So we can see first what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines. It is nothing but just a machine. For the machine, we are giving a set of instruction or set of a program for what the machine want to work. The machine want to perform some task. Even in the China, in the time of COVID pandemic, even that robotics are used in the hospital. It is acted as a doctor. In the place of doctors and nurses, they were used robotics, because they have given some information to the robotics and it performs many useful tasks. So artificial intelligence, why we are using artificial intelligence? Why more important? Because it performing the action in very fast speed, as well as it is having many important. So 5 main difference between artificial intelligence and human intelligence. First one is energy efficiency and universal and multitasking decision making state. So main advantages of artificial intelligence. It is having a fabulous speed, while one doctor can diagnose in 10 minutes. If you are going to the hospital, the doctor will, for 10 minutes, doctor will see only one patient. But a robotic, it can diagnose 1 million patients in 10 minutes. So we used to go through the artificial intelligence because it is having fabulous speed. Even after some years in the hospitals, doctors won't be there. In the place of doctors, who will be there? Robotics, artificial intelligence. Why? Because it is doing the work in fabulous speed. Why we are giving more importance for the artificial intelligence? Because it is operate 24/7. It will not get tired. Even human will get tired. Human can work for 8 hours or 12 hours. After that, we will be getting tired. But artificial intelligence, that is robotics, it will work for 24 hours and it will not get tired only. So that is why we people are giving more importance to the robotic and artificial intelligence. That is, computer don't need vacation, human need vacation, May month vacation, April month vacation, but robotics, they don't need any type of vacations. They keep on working, they keep on performing the task. Just we want to feed the information set of instruction data. So what will happen, it will not get tired only, it will keep on working, it will keep on performing the task. So artificial intelligence, why we are now in many household, they will be starting using the artificial intelligence for the personal use also, for cleaning the utensils, for washing the clothes, for mopping the floor. So for so much things, what will happen, robotics instead of the place servant, and they will not use their energy. Instead of that, they will be using the artificial intelligence or robotics. Now we can see artificial intelligence is growing rapidly. Yes, it is growing very very rapidly. After some years, you can see everywhere there will be artificial intelligence only. Even now in China, they are developing robotic taxi, robotic car, fully robotic taxi. So we know, simply there is no use of driver, it will run automatically, it will move automatically. That is a robotic car, fully automatic car, that is a robotic car. So what happens, just they will be giving the information, and now they started using the robotic car also. So that is artificial intelligence. So my job is at risk. So now everywhere they will be starting using the robotics. Even after some years, in the place of teachers, robotic teacher will be there. In the place of doctors and nurse, robotics will be there. Same like that. In the place of taxi driver, auto driver, okay, who will be there? Robotic taxi. So there won't be any use of driver only. Human driver is not compulsory at all, because it is a robotic car or robotic bus. So robotic train. So no need of driver or any sort of things. So what will happen? Job for the people will be at risk. So that is why we can use, many scientists are telling that we can use the artificial intelligence only for limited purpose, because now in present, robotics are slave, human being are master. After some years, human will become slave, robotics will become master. So robotics will rule the world. So that's why some scientists are telling to giving some limitation for the robotics. So robotics and artificial intelligence, you can see this picture. So in many countries, they will be started developing the artificial intelligence, not only in companies, in many manufacturing company, IT company, banking sector, everywhere they will be starting using the robotics as well as the artificial intelligence. So a robot is nothing but it is a mechanical or virtual artificial agent, usually an electromechanical machine that is guided by computer program. So whatever machine, it can do the task which is guided by the computer program. Already I have given a best example, robot movie. In that movie you have seen that robotic will perform all such kind of actions, because they have given some set of rules and protocol, some program to the robot. So application, even using the robotics we can play the chess, because the robotics can do all sort of the things like a human. So using the human intelligence, we can make artificial intelligence using computer program, expert system, machine learning, deep learning, etc. So application, nowadays in banking sector also they started using the robotics. After some years, bank will not be there, hospital will not be there, everywhere robotics. Instead of bank staff, robotics will be there. Same like that in the hospital, instead of doctors and nurse, robotics will be there. So robotics and artificial intelligence will be rule the world. So today's class I am going to give the conclusion that robotics is a main thing, a vital role play in today's world. So after some years, the robotic will be developed in very advanced. So artificial and robotics is a mandatory to the world to implement, because it is having fabulous speed to work and to perform the task. So artificial intelligence is a very important subject. So it is a very important subject to for everyone to learn. This is for today's session. Thank you.